You see this? It's a diaper. Can you name the president of a country who wears this all the time? Now, let me give you a hint. This is the same president who can't answer even one question asked by a journalist. So every time he's facing a journalist, the journalist has to give the question in written to the staff member, and then staff member gives the answer to the president, and then he answers. Can you name him? His name is Joe Biden, the president of the strongest country on earth, the one who is scaring 1.8 billion Muslims of the world. He's wearing this because he can't control his shit. He's shitting all the time in this diaper. And the other thing, he can't change his own diaper. He needs help from his staff to do this. So this is one guy you're afraid of. And the other guy you're afraid of is so scared right now that the fear is visible on his face. His face is showing such a clear sign of his fear and anxiety that every time he has to face camera, his staff applies a whole bottle full of foundation on his face. Do you know his name? His name is Benjamin Netanyahu. 1.8 billion Muslims, you are afraid of these two guys?